Yeah, fellows, today is all about drill music. Yeah, we're about to do drill music. So I'll load the presets. Okay. So turn on the metronome. Start with the hi-hats. We check the tempo, the BPM. So let's take it like 140 BPM or 140 tempo. Yeah, 140. And we start. Sorry. Yeah, like that. Then we go with the snare. Let's go to the playlist. Let's switch. Like that. Okay, so straight away. Bring it down. Then I transpose this to, let's say, okay, yeah, A or G sharp, or G sharp. So right there. That's right there. That's my right there. So it's about time we add the 808. Next pattern 808. The 808 is tuned already. So copy this. Paste it here. You open the piano roll. Right there. So okay. Right there. Right there. So we copy, we cut this one here, we paste it at the channel 5. Yeah, right there. Right there, right there. Nice one there. So we're about to arrange, then we add some, we spices it up with more melody and stuff like that. So let's shape the cakes and the 808 here. Let's start with the piano. That's the snare and the hi-hats. So right there, this should be starting from this point. Followed by this piano roll here with the kick. go. And one thing, the bass note is, I think the key is is G, right? So we will shift it to G. I think it's G, right? Let me go check. Let me cross check it quickly. It's G sharp. G sharp is that. G sharp, right there. Right there. So the bass note, G sharp, right there. Now the tone is tuned. The bass is tuned, right? Let's go get it. Woo! Right there, that's it. That's what I'm talking about. So let's extend this. It right there. Let me change this one. So they are on the channel 7. Let me add gross beat to do side chaining, small side chaining. I want few side chain in this thing. Where gross beat, yeah, gross beat. So side chain right there. So I'll do the mixing, and because I don't want this one to get too long, we will separate it into two. The mixing part will come. For now, this is the basics. So I think I have to add some small effects for the intro.
Perfect.
No, 7th. Right there. Right there.
Is this your motherfucker? Is this your motherfucker?
So this is for the basics. And we'll do the mixing later. I'll add some tones and I'll arrange everything. Then after we master the beat. Yes. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to keep your comment down below. Yes, we'll do more. Sorry, we'll do more. Yeah. Station beat. Yeah. Peace out.